What are you?
I'm a pirate who can't do God. And I'm a pirate who doesn't have clean teeth. And you too.
We're pirates who doesn't have green teeth?
Yes.
We wrote a storybook about that, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
What's on your mouth?
Some chocolate candy.
All right, show me your pirate moves. And show me what you do if you attack a giant octopus. And show me what you do when you fight the pirates who have green teeth. Woo, that's crazy.
You do not believe it.
I can't believe it. What's your pirate name?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
Yeah.
The good pirate?
Yeah.
And what about your first mate?
You are named Phone, and he is named Caterpillar.
Caterpillar? Caterpillar, what's Caterpillar? A first?
The first mate.
He says first mate. Okay, say, you scallywags, goodbye.
You scalawags.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Jason Jr. Oh, did I drop that on purpose or on accident?
Yeah.
Okay. I like how you say accident. Hey, pirate. Pirate. Screwdriver. Captain Screwdriver.
No, you have to stand over there.
Captain Screwdriver, wink. Woo!